Hello guys, GaM3ChangeRs back again with another video on how to make professional thumbnails on your iOS devices. 100% free. I mean, no charged apps or free. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first things first, you're going to need two apps on my home screen right here, which is Fonto and Screen Maker Pro. They are both free. The only thing about Screen Maker Pro is it's only free to make one screenshot on it per day, and it allows you to crop a photo into an iPhone, but it looks more legit. So first thing after that, you want to find a background that you want to use for your thumbnail. Now I'm going to be making the thumbnail that I'm actually going to use for this video. You'll see that in a second, and you'll see me adding all the bits. So I'm just showing another example of a background you could use. So after that, you want to do that, and then you can go back on the internet. You want to go to the other link in the description. This is where I get my fonts from for my thumbnails. These allow you to download them and put them straight into Fonto, so you can use them all the time. So you want to choose the font, open in Fonto. It'll pop up like this, and then you just want to tap install again, and that's it. The font is now on the app, so you can use it whenever you want, for whatever you want. Like I make GFX using things like this. And then you want to press the camera roll button in the middle of the screen, choose your background, tap just anywhere around that thing to add text. You want to write in exactly what you want. And as you see now, I'll change the font to the one that I'm using, or the one I downloaded from the internet a couple seconds ago. You want to crop it to however size and shape you want it. If you want to fit the iPhone in, I recommend having it a bit smaller than covering the whole thing. So I'll make this one a bit smaller because it's a longer word. You want to place it exactly where you want it. On iPhone and iPod, then crop that and put it there, resize it, I mean, put it underneath, and then I'm going to add an iPad underneath, because otherwise it'll overlap the actual phone that I will be putting on that left side that I've left blank. So you want to do this for all the text that you want on the screen. Make sure it looks appealing, so when you do choose colours, make sure it's the colours you want and colours that stand out compared to the background. I wouldn't use similar colours because it's hard to see. So yeah, then you want to go into the edit. I recommend putting the outline on it because it looks better, and then the shade, I always use the bottom one. One of the AAs is to activate it, and then X and Y to move it out and down, and then you blur and make it more transparent so it looks like a proper shadow. And then obviously edit the colours exactly how I do and put it horizontal if you want it in this style. I'm just going to change the colours because like I said, they don't stand out very good, whereas these stand out perfect. So I'm going to change this one to the same colours, but I'm going to switch them around so it's not the same thing all the way through. Add the blur, take away the alpha, go to text. As you can see, I've got my colours here. You can add custom colours if you tap on the empty slot or on the three lines next to all the colours. And I'm going to skip forward through this bit and that's what you'll end up with, exactly what I got here. And you go off it, you want to go on Screen Maker. So for this, I recommend taking a screenshot of anything that you are making a video on, and then choosing one of these and placing it within the iPhone. You'll see what I mean by placing it within the iPhone in a second. So let's use this one. As you see, I choose this one. Now it shows that iPhone there. Choose an image from the top left, and it'll crop it into that screen. These on thumbnails look a lot more legit than just cropping your own image into an iPhone PNG off Safari, if you ask me. But again, you can only use one at a time. You want to save it. It saves as a PNG as well, so you can bring it straight onto your size it how you want it, move it around exactly how you want it. Not as hard as it looks, guys. Pretty simple. I do a lot of stuff using Fonto and the screenshot maker. I also use PixArt, which if you want any tutorials on that, just say down below. And then you want to save it. And that's pretty much it. That's your thumbnail done. Unless you want to add other things, you just save PNG GIFs or photos off Safari, I mean. And that's it. There's our thumbnail completed, and you'll see this obviously at the start of the video and actually on the front of the video. So that's it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like. And if you want to see more videos like this one, stick around. Peace.